and TDM, but I kind of think our new weapon is gonna be way too OP. We insta-kill all of these guys, and we actually just insta-killed him too. Uh-oh. Yeah, we just insta-kill one of the hardest bosses here, and that's what we get for using a really good banhammer. Already so much so that we can already make it to the last zone, and in here we have to take out Master Luca! I feel a little weird because I don't know who that is, so it just feels kind of anticlimactic to me. I'm so sorry. Wow, guys, I'm so happy that I didn't get myself banned while playing Banning Simulator. That would have sucked so much. The only thing is, though, guys, is that I haven't even conquered Banning Simulator yet. We have to get 10 rebirths to make it to Lava Land. Guys, episode 1 was intense, but episode 2 might be the craziest thing we've ever done. We might get banned. Let me know if you guys want to see that episode 2. I'll see you tomorrow.
Ang una nating ilagay dito is lechon, manok, kawali. Sizzling lechon,
What
manok,
is
kawali. Wala pa nagsimula. Kakanta tayo, te? Kakanta tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Lisa. Lisa Balamban Aloy.
Thank you so much!
Lisa. Happy birthday. Matagal na kasi, tingnan mo yung pagkanta namin eh. Madilim na tuloy. No? Hello guys. Ito yung magiging lechon sana. Kaya lang, umulan.
Nagiging lechon kawali.
Nagiging lechon kawali guys. Since bagong delivery yung stone plate, ginawa na rin natin na first serving niya is Ha?
Order na sila. 300 lang.
Ang?
Ito, 300 pesos. Ang mura naman.
Sino nag-order?
Sabi na pwede sila mag-order. Gagawin mo ganito.
Mag-order na kayo mga guys. Guys or what? Sige, pwede. Wait lang ha. Pwede. This is good for 300 pesos only. No, masyado namang mahal.
Yeah. 500 pesos.
200, kasi na yan. 200? 200. 255 sa gumagamit ng electricity. Sa akin, siya eh.
Ano yung manok bili mo?
159. Meron akong 40 pesos. It's okay. Basta mabilis yun.
Yung mga ingredients mo pa.
Ang ingredients, mga 2 pesos, 5 piso. Oo nga, no? Oo nga. Kaya tama lang. Nasa
250.
250. Sa kanila 255. 260. Deal or no deal?
Hindi, lalagyan mo pa kahit yun ng yan.
Ano? Ha? Ano?
Hindi, lalagyan mo pa.
Ay, hindi naman po pa sali kapag nagbibigay ako ng ganito eh. Nakabalot lang siya. Oo nga, no? Meron pang wrapper na, no? Yung sauce, yun na yun.
Nasa 300 yan.
Nasa 300?
300, hindi, malaki.
Oo nga, no? Malaki siya. Yung maliit yung sa nasa labas.
Tandok, maliit na eh.
It's good for 280. Last and final decision. 280. 250. Yan na yan. Last deal.
Lubit pa sa 250 yan.
Okay guys. We're not yet finished. Saglit lang to.
Copyright yan.
Just gonna max him out. Besides, we
Yeah.
have a lot of cash right now.
Copyright
And well, we can also max
You
out
delivered
our
stone
Shivas,
plate.
but I think that we need like probably
Ate, where are you, ate?
should be enough.
Hello guys. Thank you. Yung gagawin nating
Maxing out
lechon,
some of our
nagiging
Shivas here.
lechon.
I'm not even sure, guys, if
Kawali.
stuff would be needed here. So,
Ate!
like what I told you.
Nigirin tayo. Oh.
Naubos mo, Ben?
Ayong cold din mo.
Wisdom bone. They believe that they can...
Ayun yung wishbone pala, yan pala yung wishbone. Mali yung nakuha ko. Mali yung pek ko sa akin. Okay.
Hey!
Saan nga ba to? Ah, sa breast banda.
No!
Dalawang taong kailangan dyan.
Oo.
Tapos pang kayo na makukuha kung sino pinamabang part sa siya yung matutupad
Hindi, kayo lang nagdudubol.
Hindi na, ganito rin lang.
Kayo ni Dubin, no? Hawakan mo, Ben, yung isa, Ben.
Ate, umulan ka.
Hindi kasi sa lalab mo lang.
Wow. How?
Ben, oh, Ben, gusto mo pa? Sausaw mo dito, masarap yung sauce.
Nam-nam.
Ba't na pala ba to?
Basta, nakita ko sa Shopee yan, sobrang ganda. I thought na hindi siya maganda, pero na gagandahan talaga ako. Yeah.
Wala talagang pakik ko.